Hello, now we are going to see how to get an input where the words have spaces. So normally if we input a string using cin and cout and output using cout, when I input a string with spaces and I run this, only the first word is stored into the string. So what if we have an input which has spaces? So what we can do is use getline. So using getline cin s. Now let's see what happens. Now giving input string with spaces. Using getline we can have string with spaces. And so I have used this concept of getline in uh, this question on Geeks for Geeks, and I have also linked two more questions which also use getline for taking the input. So in this question, uh, this is the sample input, and we are given a string which has special characters and spaces and numbers and lower and uppercase alphabets. So what do we have to do is we have to find if this input if you only take the alphabets and numbers only, and we have to check if it is a palindrome or not. In the first we are also like have to take into account that the smaller case alphabets are same as the uppercase alphabets. So to take input with spaces we use getline, and we also have to keep in mind to use cin.ignore so as to get proper input in string s. Now I have used I have used another string str, and I have only stored characters which are alphanumeric, and I have converted all the uppercase letters to the lowercase letters. This function does not affect the numbers. So I've converted it all of them to lowercase. And now we will check for palindrome by taking the left pointer and the right pointer, and we will keep shifting from both sides until either we find that they are not equal, or we or left becomes greater than right. That means we have compared all the characters in the string. So if the flag is true, we output yes, and if not, we output false. No. As you can see, the answer has been submitted. And thank you for watching.